Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini. Today I can proudly show you this 1976 Suzuki GT750. It's been fully restored and has had an awful lot of money spent on it, even down to re-chroming of the original exhaust pipes. It's in Maui blue, which is I think one of the nicest colours. The paintwork is divine, all been beautifully done. The exhaust still have the stampings on. You can actually see GT750. There we are, the original system. The wheels are new. They're stainless steel with stainless spokes, so that's a nice improvement. Engine's all been polished. You can see it's absolutely gorgeous. Even that shot under there, look, a few petrol heads. Just look at that, it's lovely. Yeah, lovely wheels and spokes. It almost looks brand new, to be honest. Yeah, how lovely is this? Really nice, really nice. I love it. Show you under the seat. Very tidy under there. There we go. It's got a new motor battery fitted. Someone's actually stamped the frame numbers on the frame there, which is quite nice. Matching numbers, engine and frame. The seat underside is steel, which is lovely. Just look at the condition. Oh, I do love it. I love these kettles. Right, I'll fire it up for you. Fired it up a minute ago, so it is slightly warm. Started first time. What a sound. Shame you can't smell this lovely blue smoke from the two-stroke engine. 3-cylinder 750cc two-stroke. They don't make them like this anymore. Oh, this is that, burbling away. Oh, I could sniff that all day long. It's just lovely. Brilliant. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, as there's going to be many more to follow. Cheers.